Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy coins or credits within the Asphalt Legends Unite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Asphalt Legends Unite game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start playing various different game modes. Now, if you wish to buy any currency, coin or credit within the game, just click on your current coins that you have at the top section, or you can also tap on the shop button. Once you tap on either one of these options, you will either be taken into the credits menu or you will be taken into the shop page. If you end up within the shop page, just tap on the top left corner and then tap on currencies, and now you will see the tokens as well as the credits screen. You can simply use your token in order to buy various amount of currency. Just tap on your desired amount of credit that you wish to buy, and it will now immediately be purchased, and your transaction will complete right away. As soon as you tap on this, you will notice that the coins has been added within your remaining credits. You can use your tokens to buy credits, and you can use your real world currency in order to buy tokens. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy coins or credits within the Asphalt Legends Unite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.